Another banger.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Rare African and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kezia, also known as Rare African. On my platform, I basically film anything fashion and vlogs about my life and just really upload whatever videos that I feel like uploading and sharing with the world. So today, I got you guys with another style with me and sneaker review. It's been a while since I've done these and I finally have been able to figure out my setup. So yeah, it's been a while since I've done like a sit down video and just really be in front of my camera and just really be in the zone. But today I wanted to show you guys some new sneakers that I got. Actually, I got these sneakers a while ago, but I haven't worn them out because I really wanted to show you guys first and style it and, you know, basically make all this content with it to let you guys know, like, hey, whatever, yeah. So anyways, I got the Nike Cortez vintage, Let's start over. The vintage Nike Cortez women's sneaker and the chlorophyll sail and light blue colorway. So this is it. I got it in a size 7. That's usually my size, so I do stay true to size majority with all my Nike sneakers. I do own another pair of Nike Cortez. They're up here somewhere in the back. They're in like a red, white, and blue colorway. Very, very cute. And I'm actually a big fan of the Cortez. I like how classic they are, comfortable, and although I do have like small feet, I guess a lot of people think I have small feet. Whenever they look down, they're just like, oh, what size are you? I'm just like, I'm a 7. I love how they shape my feet, so it's such a nice classic sneaker. I feel like it's great to have in your closet, and it comes in a wide range of colorways that you guys can get. I got my pair from Nordstrom's.com, so it was $100, which is pretty cheap, I would say, especially nowadays with sneakers and everything. So yeah, I was really excited to see this pair of sneaker on Nordstrom's site because honestly, it's so unique that I really thought it was gonna sell out, so I like bought it right away because I'm like, yo, these are dope, and I really like having sneakers that are so like different and dope and just make my outfit, like amplifies my outfit even more, especially when it comes to like the textures of it and the colors and the shape and everything. So I'm really glad that I got my hands on these. I don't know how or when they first dropped. I just saw them on Nordstrom's and then I was like, oh, these are cute. And then I copped. So yeah, this is the sneaker right here, as you guys seen in the little montage that I have in the beginning. This is the sneaker. So cute. I love the texture so much. The details of the sneaker is just like exquisite, guys. It's so good. It's so amazing, and I really do love the colorway. As you can see, it has like the white check, and then on the bottom it's more of like a cream or like an ivory instead of a pure white. And then on the top, as you can see, on the top it has the retro Nike logo with the little orange swoosh and then orange inside, and then that nice blue, light blue on this side as well, and as well as in the back too. So I think this is really cute, but I think the colorway complements each other, each colors very nicely. It's not like, whoa, that's ugly or what the heck. Well, in my opinion, I really do like this. I love how it's like calm, like you could wear probably like an all cream white neutral outfit and then have these on, and it's just like, wow. And then along with the fabric of the shoe, it just basically adds on to your accessories because it's already adding texture and flavor and juiciness to the outfit because you're using something else different now. You're not using leather, you're not using whatever the typical patent, whatever. I forgot the material name, but you know, this is different. Like, I haven't seen anything like this, so I'm really excited to have this in my closet. These cost $100, so not crazy expensive, and I would say they're pretty true to size. Like, if you've owned Cortez or not, definitely stay true to size, and they will fit nicely. So I'm not gonna make this video too lengthy. Let's go ahead and jump right into how I style these sneakers.
Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me, bro. Take me out the club, bro. Take me out the trap, bro. Take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why I'm here, can't express.
Yeah, so let me know in the comment box below if you guys are interested in purchasing these. What do you guys think? Yay, nay, cop, drop, like, give me some feedback. Are you guys feeling these shoes? Are you guys hating them? Are you guys loving them? Definitely leave a comment in the comment box below, and just so I can gauge on your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys got some ideas on how to style this shoe or any other shoe that you may have that has the same colorway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave me a thumbs up if you did, and hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and also turn on my notification bell so you guys can stay notified whenever I upload a video. Please give me some ideas on what kind of videos you want to see from me. I'm trying small by small by small to post more on here. Guys, I'm a full-time grad student, and also I work pretty much full-time, so please bear with me, okay? Anyways, I hope you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching. Bye.